This is my explanation about my slide. One of the primary areas where big data holds significant relevance in the shipping industry is in enhancing operational efficiency by leveraging data analytics. Shipping companies can optimize vessel routes, fuel consumption, and maintenance schedules. For example, real-time monitoring of engine performance and weather conditions enables captains to make informed decisions that minimize fuel consumption and reduce emissions, contributing to both cost savings and environmentally sustainability. Safety is paramount in the shipping industry, and big data plays a vital role in ensuring the well-being of crew, passengers, and cargo by analyzing historical data on accidents, near miss, and navigational hazards. Shipping companies can identify trends and proactively implement safety measures. Additionally, real-time monitoring of vessels, locations, and conditions allows for swift response to emergencies, improving overall maritime safety and security.